So the fine folks at Bridgecom sent me a SkyBridge Max, and I was going to do a quick unboxing of it and see what we get in the package. I have their 878 DMR radio, and it has been an absolutely wonderful little handheld. Really enjoying the DMR portion of it. Able to talk to pretty much anybody around the world on a bunch of different talk groups. So first thing we come across is obviously, if you have any problems, just call Bridgecom. They'll get you straightened out. We have a disclaimer. Do not remove the SD card unless directed by Bridgecom. You can cause some problems to the hotspot. I've heard that before with different hotspots that the Raspberry Pi system is kind of temperamental. Once you get one going and everything's working, if it's not broke, don't fix it. You get a quick start guide. Goes through whatever you need to get everything set up and get going. What else we got in the box? We have the actual SkyBridge itself. It's encased in a nice plastic case, nice big screen. And then we have, of course, the antenna. We have a car charger for the hotspot, so not only can you use it at home, you can use it on the go, and once you get it configured, you can use your cell phone as a hotspot, and you can talk pretty much anywhere you have cell service. We have a Ethernet cable, so if you don't want to do Wi-Fi, if you want to plug it straight into your router, and you can go that route. We have a USB-A to a USB-C charging cable. We have our wall wart, and it comes with a small power bank. It is a 5,000 milliamp hour power bank, so you can take it on the go. Put your cell phone in the back pocket, and you can put the hotspot pretty much anywhere you want, and you can talk to various talk groups around the world. So without further ado, let's go ahead and, like we always do on every piece of radio equipment we get, we will peel the plastic off. So that is the unboxing of the SkyBridge Max from Bridgecom Systems. I'm going to get it going, and we'll make some contacts. So if, like everyone else says, if TikTok goes down, I am also on Instagram, and I'm also on YouTube. I have some links in my bio that I do get a small commission for if you decide to buy through my link. It does add no extra cost to you, but it does give me a little bit of kickback, and I'm able to do some cool radio stuff and keep these videos coming. Well, I appreciate you guys following and watching my videos and giving me likes, and I hope to see you down the logbook. Thank you.